Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little diaper for baby dolls. You can choose fabric that matches a dress, or use traditional white cotton fabric. The diaper uses Velcro to close it, and you can even make it reversible. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut two shapes like you see here. Layer one diaper shape on top of another. For the reversible diaper, make sure you have the right sides together. Sew around the diaper shape, leaving the small end open or unsewn. Clip all seams as shown in this brief video. Invert the diaper. I like to use a chopstick for this. You can use a knitting needle, or they actually make inverter sticks. Press all seams with a hot iron. Children learning to sew, ask for help if you're using an iron. At the small end of the diaper, push all raw edges inside the gap. Use a whip stitch to seal the gap shut. I have another tutorial on the whip stitch if you need a little help with that. Your diaper should now look like this. Next, we're going to add Velcro. I'm using 5/8 inch, that's 1.5 centimeters, sew on soft Velcro. Measure the fuzzy side to match the small end of your diaper's length. Cut the Velcro and sew it on all four sides, like this, so top, bottom sides. Compare the hook side of your Velcro. Measure and cut it to match the soft side. Divide it in half. Lay your diaper out like this before you sew. This is really helpful. This will help you make sure you attach the hooks Velcro piece to the proper side. If you lay it like this, it's really easy to make errors. I did the first time I did this. It's also possible for the doll to wear it like you see here. Either way, the key is to get the Velcro to match up correctly. If you're making the reversible diaper, I recommend placing the soft bit of Velcro on both small ends of the diaper. For me, that was the white snowflake side and also the red striped side. Then attach the hooks part of the Velcro to both sides of the diaper flaps as well. Now you're ready to try the diaper on your doll. Oh my goodness, look at that cuteness. For more free printable sewing patterns for dolls of many shapes and sizes, including this 8-inch baby doll's dress and cute little felt booties. If you want those patterns, oh my goodness, she's so cute. Remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please show your appreciation by telling your friends about my website, where you can find free patterns like this doll dress. Goodbye.